Alaikum salam. Bibia wakode me watching. Christ asumdwe enka nyina nsuo gugunti. E nyina ya wet. Anopen. Mechiamu nyina se masaje bre ehwe bedwam on Adom TV. Asem yi dika bre na asun. But quickly before set me koso no. Enano a mede me producer number etu dwa no. Amanfo afrefre e de mo concerns bebre aba. Ya ye binom adwuma ebim so eguso eye. From Monday eko mo responses are yes come from abampen for the betum anim. Na mo se mo frɛ ye no se bi ya antena so keke. Ya ye ho adwuma tipa so sergeant producer number. Issue be a koso ba bia wo say wadwumam ade be a border on Ghana punto bia from producer that actually was 055 254 0562. Tie number ni biem 055 254 0562. Your friend dachi hene Asem dika producer eno no ofra katen sa kwasisi ande say friend no anapa emeda so oto na ne December akwaba eno ahemdie bi koso o Ministry of Energy between the energy minister and Penfuo Energy Ministry. Board chairman Edema Tema Oil Refinery, managing director Edema Tema Oil Refinery, chairperson Edema General Transport and Petroleum Chemical Workers Union, chairperson Edema General Transport Petroleum and Petrochemical Union, Meka local one, and a national so a baby. Bikuta letter bua me se me nyama mbofo eye confidential to me fa letter no entudwa ba se ne be ya penfo Ministry of Energy won se me mo be stem na akenti no me mo the reference number of the letter ZA 205/229/01E nipo san ye eye Mrs. Wohamina Asamoah men ka letter mo asam eye confidential me nyama mbofo ba penfo gi achinyam de atoso ama obi ehu ba ma the reference number of the letter T Mrs. Wohamina Asamoah o has a reference number na mriama na obo the specific letter make kan wasem Tuesday energy minister ene Tom penfo di nkobo entiasie bi anya adwuma because na workers ne fa bi enya preview to komodie na aircourse with strategic partner na ban ed ne ba no obeboase na bi ato ebegira na so etienu a ofre the other partner so samoso mumra no metrase na obia matie emu asem. Fortunate for us, the draft lease agreement between Ghana government and a strategic partner, I also refer into just a say. A binding on a 6-year agreement to manage, transform, tour. Fortunate, Team Niasaka, the draft lease agreement no ebi. And Niasaka the draft maintenance agreement no so ebi. Yes, yesterday. Ya yente petrochemical industry na sintino. Ya pempen fu etiase to also review. Question bi on bi ebe gina ne awresi. Question bi enu ebe mabaso. Etinapo why there for a drawing in the other side also enter mo ase. No munya preview to kobodia aircourse wo sa to revival no ase. Eye why there mo. These are some of the things that we expect you to do. We will continue to hammer it until you do because we know you can do it. So you have to do it. Dr. Matthew Prempe. And town ye pe wasem ye pe so succeed. O succeed a Ghana succeed. Ghana ye. And no shemre no ekoso ayekama. That 6 years agreement na abai any the strategic partner no ekono. Fortunately, me see yenya the draft lease agreement no. And any asaka the draft maintenance agreement no so but the man pen for some review my na questions bi on ho a ye raise me am for ntiase ba me se me nya mambofo ade e confidential ne pen for the ntia confidential enye bibia na o se Ghana for hu ne nyina ye Janice but Mrs. Wilhelmina Asamoah, Chief Director yawo Ministry of Energy, me bought reference number no so letter kra make kan wasem diamu ye ni abre den dia ye ka se Thomas revive no sabi enye ye die ntio reviving to no enye makwasi say to me personal interest to enye to the interest of every Ghanaian. And now Ghana call our him. Yeah, you see the timber from to the sense say dollar boyama fay na see the ending of 17 Ghana cedis to $1. Abandia we have share and it should be a friend gold for oil. Say, yanko fa the gold there wa enko kra oil famra. The be ma fa ngobo abafom. Ebe resi the same because me say resi biem. It is not because God for oil, you know, and your good idea, and you're fantastic. But some of them can say, Saudi Arabia now, yeah, kwakope oil diaban. Or more machines be a friend CDU, and more RFCC, and you didn't none of them was Saudi Arabia. And yes, a Ghana, you will be a tall. South Saudi Arabia for 1 year gold, and quite oil diabano, you will be a tall. But the publicism at your free Passami community, ya jai and essay, because a new beer Japan, and I'm a catcher. 60 years ago, Kwame Nkrumah say, yes, it tall, not Ghana to oil. 60 years down the line, you're oil, you see, young tall, you tall. We are bro for the door. Your politicians are doing Badwam Timudo. We are with the four Ghana politicians, we are with the four at your papa Nimutrim. One power. Abrani any oil. Kwabrani si baby a bit me oil. And now you oil. Baby a bit than oil. No, you see you know because of me personal interest. Who you would need? Ministers to be a pianapo, but one the member would do. Someone yana na. Some ministers, some CEOs be any kata be watching napana kakata wato. There's a kata at your ministry. Who are pushing you napo, they are pushing you. Sato de agu jama samuamu. Mo anya bebo dem we pampane for. We are with for. Mo nye Ghana ho. We are selfish. You don't deserve to be in Ghana. Shade. Fene good for all you deny. Business and financial time that part for TV ni so na for fie eje bi enhwe. Yes, ya kofa gold for oil. Say emebo ma fam bo emra fam. Na tie gold for oil no emaye. BDC is importing petroleum at prices lower than gold for oil program. Where your boss penny ne kasa. One aircraft firm won about Ghana no $100 every Bank of Ghana ko credit ban. Yes, you munyai na ka yema gold for oil emma fu bo emra fam. And a Korea chen $1 echo craft for the ban. Omu fu omo de ban no ebo from chen gold for oil na ye no. I'm sure be free. Abani gold for oil eba ye. Naka bi bia da na kwa finance Dr. Mahmoud Badwam ya da bia me ka say so the poli udi adwempo bi ba de akire. Yes, metiase ye wo implementing agencies but my permanent one year near cha when me guase. Say gold for oil ebe ma fam mu bo Ghana abafom. And so ene BDC is na kra oil di free amano ne eba no omo de wo fom che ye na di gold e kwa akwaje. Because one yakwa kofa anamtani intermediary ena ono ena ejire mato and negotiate diamond ono beje the cat et na gold for oil for no kwa omoto barrel bia $50 per barrel but one woman did dollar every Ghana air kwa kotom $45 per barrel enya no kwa na che Dr. Badwam kwem pesa che biem maka biem say ena me kai se napo ye woto West Africa na wo come be almost straight facility eso pa talk ka ho bi but napo ekokra gold for oil the Ghana no the combust se ebika insese na poni be koto e de akogu honum no o se there be no de akoma ankrankra storage ni atwa higher price to storing the gold and the oil etibuo ne ba abontia na apagya akosoro monwi Ghana ho kakra wate napo dwen Ghana ho kakra jase nkofo piepia wo no unya akwada sebi wanyini utiri wofu bi unya akwada jase o man nkofo piepia wo no ahia na benya di ahia yanwi Ghana ho. Let's revive Thor. Ye Ghana ye dia. Ghana ye dia. And you be dia o. Ghana ye dia. And then personal interest, we person good Thor. A reviving Crawford there. Nyamu ye mobo. Okay, I no share nyina den. No me mpanifo be gi o man ho. E pia Ghana akone dem. Me dey akwasins ya. Agude mu nsem. Etwaso.